Hello there, weatherman Richard Green with a brand new forecast for a brand new week. We've got a high in the Tasman Sea, set to push across the South Island later today. It looks like overall this week conditions fairly settled thanks to that high hanging around, but look at that low off the coast of Australia, it looks fairly menacing. Temperature-wise today, it's warmest for the Bay of Plenty and the Waikato. Tonight, pretty chilly for two-thirds of the nation actually, and then tomorrow mild conditions start to push in across the South Island. What does it mean in terms of cloud? Plenty of that about this morning for the North Island and the west, from Wellington right up to Auckland. We can see fairly cloudy conditions, and a weak front pushes up across the eastern part this afternoon for Gisborne, Hawke's Bay, Wairarapa and Wellington. Fast forwarding to Tuesday, and that cloud hangs about over eastern areas as well, also Northland and Auckland, but we notice into the afternoon a bit of a clearance in central North Island districts. For the South Island, difficult to make it out today because there's so much cloud actually, but it looks more menacing than it is because there's not a lot of rain in that cloud, hardly anything, just one or two drizzly showers in the east. Let's take a look at Tuesday. Is there much of a change? There is. That anticyclone takes hold, plenty of sunshine about, might be some inland cloud thanks to afternoon heat, pushing up in some cloud build-ups. What does it mean for Auckland over the next few days? Mostly dry, settled conditions actually. Today a few cloudy areas. The risk of a shower is there. We're putting that at about a 30% risk. Temperatures lifting into the low 20s. Now for tomorrow, again, cloudy areas, but also sunshine is in the mix as well. Breezy conditions gradually easing, temperatures up to 19 degrees. Now for Wellington, again, it's looking dry until the end of the week, but fairly cool on it too over the next couple of days, especially today. That blustery southerly pushes in and temperatures struggling to get much above the low to mid-teens. On to tomorrow, again, cloudy areas, southerly breezes should ease later in the day with some sunshine moving into the capital as well. For Christchurch, and of course it's show week for Cantabrians, and it's mostly dry, fairly cool over the next couple of days though. We've got a southerly gradually tending easterly for the Garden City. Cloudy spells, there is the risk of drizzle there, possibly moving into tonight and tomorrow morning, and then during Tuesday it brightens up a little bit into the afternoon, and of course it's Cup Day, so fingers crossed for a reasonable day weather-wise. Southern New Zealand, this is how it's shaping up. Warmest conditions along the west coast, Haas seeing sunshine in 23, more of the same tomorrow. Wanaka lovely in 22 degrees for Tuesday. For the upper South Island, Kaikoura today, chance of some sunshine and also a few cloudy spells with that southerly breeze, and tomorrow warmest temperatures out west, Westport 25. Lower North Island conditions today aren't that pleasant. A southerly is there, and we can expect cloudy areas as well. Tomorrow it eases a little, but it's still going to be fairly cool in the breeze with some sunshine. Central North Island districts today, and it's Taupo and Tokoroa, very, very warm in the mid to high 20s. Cools off during Tuesday though, but it should remain mostly dry. For Gisborne and the Bay of Plenty, Rotorua stealing the show today, 26 degrees. In fact, Tauranga 27, doing all right too. And for Gisborne tomorrow, a few showers are possible and just 15 degrees. For the remainder of the North Island, Hamilton today, lovely, sunny and 26 degrees. For tomorrow, mainly cloudy there for Waikato and 23 for Hamilton. That's the latest in weather.